Hello, hello. We are back at it again. Not really sure how this video is going to go, but it'll probably end up being a weekend vlog because I've been super lazy this weekend. Just got back from probably about a 4-day, almost a week trip down in Alabama with my mom, and I went down and saw my little baby niece. Cutest thing ever. I did not vlog whatsoever the entire weekend. I took a couple of pictures, so I might post maybe a couple pictures of what we did slash maybe a video of my baby niece. We'll see. But yeah, we didn't do it like too much. It was a lot of shopping, and I capped myself off. Like I really didn't even get much. We went to Marshall's and I got this cardigan, American Eagle cardigan, for like 15 bucks. We also went to a brewery where it was such an amazing burger. They used a garlic aioli sauce and they had shoestring French fries. It was so freaking good, and I treated myself. I had a Sauvignon Blanc white wine that I have not had in a long time, and girl, I was feeling it. It tasted so good, but it knocked me out. Like, oh my goodness, it pretty much put me to sleep. But yeah, as for now, it is Saturday. I just want to get some grocery shopping done for meals for the weekend, for tonight, for game day tomorrow. Yeah, and then there's a bunch of like toiletries and stuff like that I have to pick up as well. So this is going to be an expensive trip. We are stopping in at Walmart first to get the Texas Roadhouse rolls that are now sold at Walmart. Oh my gosh, they are so good. So I'm hoping that they have those and my certain type of bagels also. So let's go. I quickly ran into Sally's. I had a $10 reward coupon and a 25% off that I got in my email, and I thought, well, let's just run in here and stock up on my hair dye. Go in, come to find out they were completely sold out of the 1V black that I usually get, and they only had one of these left. And the lady said, you just missed it. A lady came in and bought all 5 of the 1V. So I still ended up getting the 1NN, and then I was also out of developer, and after all those coupons, this cost me just under $8, so not bad. Thank God I have one more 1V at home, so not bad.